Hey guys, Scott here from Car Rebuilds. So during the last video, we got the Xterra and realized there was a manifold problem. We got that fixed. Towards the end of the video actually, I detailed the car, decided to power wash the engine. Well, this is the next video in this segment, but as I was editing, I realized I forgot the intro to that segment. So what happened is I pressure washed the engine and the car just started running like crap. It turns out I got water in the distributor cap. It's a known issue on these Xterras, which you would think, come on, it's supposedly an off-road vehicle, it shouldn't get water so easily in there. And I didn't have my pressure washer on full blast. So this episode, I go through some troubleshooting, trying to get the vehicle to run better, really super rough idle, and it just kind of takes you through the steps I went through to make that happen. So hope you guys enjoy.
Just getting it all cleaned up right now. Doing some engine cleaning the outside.
So just gonna tighten this distributor back down and see if we can't get this thing to start up. I'm really hoping that by airing this thing out, it would fix it, but you know, I'm not adverse to going and buying a new distributor cap, new wires, rotor, plugs. I don't mind. I mean, it's pretty straightforward. I watched some videos on how to change it out, so I feel pretty confident I could do it in an hour or so. So before I send this thing down the road, I may just give her a tune-up, just so the next owner doesn't have to worry about that and she runs better. I did discover an oil leak. That is one problem I'm having. Oil leak, looks like rear main seal. If that's the case, I may just scrap this thing or just dump it on the local classified ads for, you know, $1,000 or something. But yeah, let's try and start her up now the distributor's been aired out. Well, that was the issue. Distributor cap got wet. C3 running really good right now, so. Well, spoke too soon. It's back to running like crap. So I'm just gonna throw distributor cap, wires, plugs in it. Hope that fixes the issue. Probably throw a new serpentine belt while I'm in there. Just do some basic, you know, so next owner doesn't have any issues. Okay, it's about 7:30 here in Utah. On a Tuesday night. It's about 30 degrees outside. Continuing the Xterra project, and I got some new duds. Went to the Wally World, got myself a set of Dickies coveralls, just so I could, you know, feel and act the part a little more. Anyway, new distributor cap and rotor today on the Xterra. From the last segment, I decided to wash out the engine bay, do some engine cleaner. Just wanted it looking nicer. Does look a lot nicer, but it does not run anymore. So read through some forums online, got some information on this particular model. First suggestion was distributor cap rotor. If not, continue on with wires, plugs. Now, plugs have been famous in this vehicle for being just a bear to change. Especially plug 6 that sits way back in the engine bay. So watched a couple videos on that. I've got the tools to do it if I need to, but I'm gonna cross my fingers and hope that we can get it started and get it running a little better with a new cap and rotor. So yeah, this is what I'm up to tonight. And I'm gonna jump inside and just start it up and see how she sounds. Oh, shout out to my wife for giving me this awesome beanie slash headlamp. If you've never seen these, I think she picked it up at Harbor Freight or somewhere, who knows. But yeah, it's got a little like rechargeable battery. It's got a little LED light, so perfect for cold weather when you need to light something up. So thanks, hun. Love it. Here we go. One of the reasons that I did this whole thing anyway is to take some of the burden off my Colorado and not use it so much. Actually, that's a lie. I did it because I love cars and I love fixing things. I love restoring things. Really think everything has value. Every person, everything has value. You know, it's just You know, I found myself being very wasteful with things, and this is a way for me to kind of make up for that. It's just take these old cars and give them a new life, give somebody a vehicle to drive, and at a great price, or I don't know, for free, who knows. But anyway, the Colorado's back at it, doing jump start duty. I will buy a jumper pack. I mean, I'm already in the coverall, so why not go all in with the jumper pack now? I've got a pretty good selection of tools, and then a scanner. Those are the things that I'm kind of excited to get and learn how to use. And yeah, so we're gonna jump the Xterra, hopefully get this thing started with the new distributor, or the cap and rotor. Okay. She sounds good again, despite the belt whine and a little bit of an exhaust leak on the driver's side. I know exactly what that is. I just have to figure out a way to get that fixed. But yeah, she's back running. New cap and rotor did the trick. So note to all the you Xterra owners out there, I'm not sure if it's specific to all Xterras, but definitely the 3.3 liter found that, don't wash the engine bay. Especially with pressure washer. I wasn't on high pressure, I was just on the soap mode with water, but yeah, still got into that distributor, and I could tell where stuff's leaked in, a little rusty. I'm actually considering changing out the distributor. About 65 bucks on Amazon. I'm gonna keep driving this vehicle, see how she reacts, but if it continues to be a problem, I'll look into a new distributor. So yeah, she's running again, man. I'm excited. I'm gonna take a couple laps around the block. This might be my first bad experience. It runs for a good minute, and then runs for a minute really, really good, and then it just starts hesitating really bad, knocking really bad. Check engine lights turning on and off. Man, I think this thing is dead. So may end up selling it for scrap.